नमस्कार मित्रों, द टीचर शो के एपिसोड 99 में आपका स्वागत है। रोज की तरह ठीक 7 बजे एक बार फिर हम हाजिर हैं, एक नए मेहमान के साथ, एक नई कला के साथ, एक नई विधा के साथ और एक नए राज्य के साथ। आज हमारे साथ इस शो में बेंगलुरु कर्नाटका से सीधे जुड़े हैं दत्तात्रेय अरलीकट्टे जी, जो बहुत ही शानदार कलाकार हैं और पूर्व शिक्षक हैं। अभी कुछ ही साल पहले सेवानिवृत्त हुए हैं राजकीय शिक्षा से कर्नाटका सरकार की। और अरलीकट्टे जी उन बिरले शिक्षकों में हैं देश के जिन्होंने 3 राष्ट्रपतियों ने अलग अलग सम्मानित किया है। 3 बार राष्ट्रपति पुरस्कार उन्हें मिला है। एक बार सीसीआरटी की ओर से जो राष्ट्रपति पुरस्कार दिया जाता है वो मिला है, दूसरी बार शिक्षा विभाग की ओर से जो राष्ट्रीय शिक्षक पुरस्कार दिया जाता है वो मिला है, और तीसरी बार संगीत नाटक अकादमी का जो अवार्ड होता है वो उन्हें मिला है। तो ये बहुत गर्व की बात है हम सब के लिए कि हमारे बीच एक ऐसे शिक्षक हैं जो इतने प्रतिष्ठित हैं, और उसका कारण है उनका हुनर, उनकी कला, वो प्रोफेसर हैं और उन्होंने पुतली कला और शिक्षा को लेकर बहुत लंबे किए हैं अपने सेवा काल के दौरान। अरलीकट्टे सर इस वक्त लाइव हमारे साथ है, लेकिन उससे पहले मैं चाहूंगा कि मैं उनके बारे में एक छोटा सा वीडियो आपको दिखाना चाहूंगा। वीडियो कन्नड़ा में है, लेकिन मुझे आप जानते हैं कि कला की कोई भाषा नहीं होती, फिल्म की कोई भाषा नहीं होती, तो आप उस वीडियो को देख करके उन्हें और बेहतर जान पाएंगे। तो आइए ये वीडियो देखते हैं, उसके बाद फिर हम अरलीकट्टे सर से बातचीत शुरू करेंगे।
ಕಪ್ಪು ಪರದೆಯ ಸುಂದರ ವೇದಿಕೆ, ನೈಜತೆ ತೋರುವ ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಹೊನಲು, ಇವುಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಪುರಾಣದ ಪ್ರಸಂಗವನ್ನು ಅಭಿನಯಿಸುವ ಪಾತ್ರಧಾರಿ ಬೊಂಬೆಗಳು, ಮುದ್ದು ಮುಖ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಂಗಳ ವಿವಿಧ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸದ ದಿರುಸು ಧರಿಸಿದ ಆ ಬೊಂಬೆಗಳು ರಂಗದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಮೋಡಿ ನೋಡುಗರನ್ನ ಬೆರಗುಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಮಾತುಗಾರಿಕೆ, ಚೇಷ್ಟೆ, ನೃತ್ಯ, ಸಿಟ್ಟು, ಸರಸ ಸಲ್ಲಾಪ, ಅಬ್ಬಬ್ಬ! ನೈಜತೆ ಮೆರೆಯುವ ಬೊಂಬೆಯಾಟ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ವಯೋವೃದ್ಧರವರೆಗೂ ಮನರಂಜನೆ ನೀಡುವುದಲ್ಲದೆ ದೇಶ, ಭಾಷೆ, ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ವಿಚಾರಧಾರೆಯನ್ನ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸುವಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಸುಂದರ ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ಕರಗತ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ದೇಶ ವಿದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ನೀಡಿ ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿಯಾದವರು ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ದತ್ತಾತ್ರೇಯ ಅರಳೀಕಟ್ಟೆಯವರು. ಶೃಂಗೇರಿ ಸಮೀಪದ ಅರಳೀಕಟ್ಟೆಯ ರಾಮರಾಯ ಲಲಿತಮ್ಮ ದಂಪತಿಗಳ ಮಗನಾದ ದತ್ತಾತ್ರೇಯ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಎ, ಎಂಇಎಡ್ ಪದವಿ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದರೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ದೆಸೆಯಿಂದಲೇ ರಂಗಭೂಮಿ ನಂಟು, ಬೊಂಬೆ ಕಲೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದರು. ಸುಮಾರು 8 ರಿಂದ 10 ಕೆಜಿ ತೂಕದ ಬೊಂಬೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದ ಸಲಾಕೆಯಿಂದ ಹತೋಟಿಗೊಳಪಡಿಸಿ ಪೌರಾಣಿಕ ಪ್ರಸಂಗಗಳಿಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಂಗೀತ ನೃತ್ಯ ನಾಟಕದ ಲೇಪ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಸರಳ ಮಾತುಗಾರಿಕೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ನೋಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಕಥಾನಕವನ್ನು ಬಿಂಬಿಸುವ ಕಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ವಿತೀಯ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಸಾಂಪ್ರದಾಯಿಕ ಕಲೆಗೆ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಮನ್ನಣೆ ಗಳಿಸಿದ ಎಂಆರ್ ರಂಗನಾಥರಾವ್ ಅವರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾಯೋಗಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಪಡೆದು ಶ್ರೀರಂಗ ಮಹಾಗುರುವಿನ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೊಂಬೆಯಾಟದ ಅಂತರಂಗ ಸಂಶೋಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎನ್ನಬಹುದು. ಸುಮಾರು 15ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸದಸ್ಯರ ತಂಡ ಹೊಂದಿದ ದತ್ತಾತ್ರೇಯ ಅವರೇ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಪುತ್ಥಳಿ ಕಲಾರಂಗ ಶಿಷ್ಯ ಪರಂಪರೆಗೆ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯಂತಿದೆ.
ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ಕಾಲದಿಂದ ಬೆಳೆದು ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೊಂಬೆ ಆಟ ಒಂದು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ಅಂದರೆ ವೇದಗಳಿಗಿನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದು ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನೇಕ ವಿದ್ವಾಂಸರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾಗಿ ಸೂತ್ರ ಬೊಂಬೆ, ಸಲಾಕೆ ಬೊಂಬೆ, ಸೂತ್ರ ಸಲಾಕೆ ಗೊಂಬೆ, ತೊಗಲು ಬೊಂಬೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೈ ಬೊಂಬೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕೈ ಗ್ಲೌಸ್ ಬೊಂಬೆ ಅಥವಾ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಬೊಂಬೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಭಾರತೀಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ, ನೀತಿ, ಪರಂಪರೆ, ನಾಟ್ಯ, ಸಂಗೀತ, ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ, ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಇವುಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ನಾವು ಅವಲೋಕನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಸೂತ್ರಸಲಾಗಿ ಬೊಂಬೆ ಆಟಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂತಹದ್ದು ನನ್ನ ದೃಢವಾದ ನಂಬಿಕೆ.
ವಿಠಲನ ನೆನೆದವ ಪುರಂದರ, ವಿಠಲನ ನೆನೆದವ ಪುರಂದರ, ವಿಠಲನ ನೆನೆದವ ವೈಕುಂಠ ಕೋಡಿದವ, ವಿಠಲನ ನೆನೆದವ ವೈಕುಂಠ ಕೋಡಿದವ.
ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಮಟ್ಟದ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಇವರು ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಬಯಲಾಟ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಯ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾಗಿಯೂ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಗಿರಿಜಾ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ, ಕುಮಾರ ಸಂಭವ, ತಾರಕಾಸುರ ವಧೆ ಮುಂತಾದ ಪ್ರಸಂಗಗಳನ್ನು ಕನ್ನಡವಲ್ಲದೆ ಇತರೆ ಭಾಷೆಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸುಮಾರು 4 ಮೀಟರ್ ಉದ್ದ, ಅಗಲ ಮತ್ತು 3 ಮೀಟರ್ ಎತ್ತರವುಳ್ಳ ಈ ಬೊಂಬೆಯಾಟದ ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸವೇ ವಿಭಿನ್ನ ಎನ್ನಬಹುದಾಗಿದೆ.
ತಾವುಗಳು ಯಾರೈ ತಕಿಟತ ತಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕಿಟತ ತಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕಿಟತ ತಿಮ್ಮಿ ತತತ, ತಾವುಗಳು ಯಾರೈ ತಕಿಟತ ತಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕಿಟತ ತಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕಿಟತ ತಿಮ್ಮಿ ತತತ.
ಈ ಬೊಂಬೆಯಾಟ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ವಿದ್ಯಾವಂತರು ಬರಬೇಕೆನ್ನುವ ಆಶಯ ಹೊಂದಿರುವ ದತ್ತಾತ್ರೇಯ ಅರಳಿಕಟ್ಟೆಯವರ ಈ ಸುಂದರ ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿರುವ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಂಘ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರದ ಮೂಲಕ ಅವರನ್ನ ಗೌರವಿಸಿವೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದದ್ದು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮವಾಗಿ ಬೊಂಬೆಯಾಟ
क्या हो गया सर? आप सुन पा रहे हैं सर?
मैं
हाँ दत्ता सर, अच्छा कैन यू हियर?
मैं तो सुन पा
कैन
रहा
यू
हूँ।
हियर अस? दत्ता सर, कैन यू हियर?
ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ನೀಡಿರುವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ರತ್ನ, ಕಲಾರತ್ನ, ಪುತ್ತಳಿ ಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿ ಮುಂತಾದ ಬಿರುದು ಬಾವಲಿಗಳು ದತ್ತಾತ್ರೇಯ ಅರಳಿಕಟ್ಟೆಯವರ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ.
ವಿದ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಬೊಂಬೆ ಆಟ ನೀವೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ
वीडियो चला गया भाई, टीवी नहीं आ रहा।
ನನ್ನದು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾವು
नहीं आ रहा है अभी।
ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ
ಈ ಬೊಂಬೆಯಾಟ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾಗಿಯೂ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಗಿರಿಜಾ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ, ಕುಮಾರ ಸಂಭವ, ತಾರಕಾಸುರ ವಧೆ ಮುಂತಾದ ಪ್ರಸಂಗಗಳನ್ನು ಕನ್ನಡವಲ್ಲದೆ ಇತರೆ ಭಾಷೆಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸುಮಾರು 4 ಮೀಟರ್ ಉದ್ದ, ಅಗಲ ಮತ್ತು 3 ಮೀಟರ್ ಎತ್ತರವುಳ್ಳ ಈ ಬೊಂಬೆಯಾಟದ ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸವೇ ವಿಭಿನ್ನ ಎನ್ನಬಹುದಾಗಿದೆ.
ತಾವುಗಳು ಯಾರೈ ತಕಿಟತ ತಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕಿಟತ ತಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕಿಟತ ತಿಮ್ಮಿ ತತತ, ತಾವುಗಳು ಯಾರೈ ತಕಿಟತ ತಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕಿಟತ ತಿಮ್ಮಿ ತತತ.
ಈ ಬೊಂಬೆಯಾಟ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ವಿದ್ಯಾವಂತರು ಬರಬೇಕೆನ್ನುವ ಆಶಯ ಹೊಂದಿರುವ ದತ್ತಾತ್ರೇಯ ಅರಳಿಕಟ್ಟೆಯವರ ಈ ಸುಂದರ ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿರುವ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಂಘ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರದ ಮೂಲಕ ಅವರನ್ನ ಗೌರವಿಸಿವೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದದ್ದು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮವಾಗಿ ಬೊಂಬೆಯಾಟ ಪ್ರಬಂಧಕ್ಕಾಗಿ CCRT 1996ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಡಿರುವ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, 2003ರಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಕಲಾಂ ಅವರಿಂದ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್, 2018ರಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದ ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಮನಾಥ್ ಕೋವಿಂದ್ ಅವರಿಂದ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿದ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸಂಗೀತ ನಾಟಕ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, 2018ರಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯವು ಗೌರವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟ್ ನೀಡಿ ಪುರಸ್ಕರಿಸಿರುವುದು ಇವರ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಗರಿ. 2019ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಕೆಂಪೇಗೌಡ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, ಆರ್ಯಭಟ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, ವಿವಿಧ ಸಂಘ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ನೀಡಿರುವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ರತ್ನ, ಕಲಾರತ್ನ, ಪುತ್ತಳಿ ಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿ, ಮುಂತಾದ ಬಿರುದು ಬಾವಲಿಗಳು ದತ್ತಾತ್ರೇಯ ಅರಳಿಕಟ್ಟೆಯವರ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ.
ವಿದ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಬೊಂಬೆ ಇದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರ ನನ್ನದು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಸಾರ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೊಂಬೆಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ, ಬೊಂಬೆಗಳನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಉಡುಗೊರೆಯಾಗಿ ಕೊಡುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನತೆಯು ಸಹಕಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಕಳಕಳಿಯ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ.
ಅಗ್ನಿ, ಮಳೆ, ಗುಡುಗು, ಮಿಂಚು ಮೊದಲಾದ ಆವಿಷ್ಕಾರಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆಧುನಿಕ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಬೊಂಬೆಯಾಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿರುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ದತ್ತಾತ್ರೇಯ ಮೊದಲಿಗರು ಎನ್ನಬಹುದು. ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಾಂಪ್ರದಾಯಿಕ ಬೊಂಬೆಯಾಟದ ಜೀವಂತ ದಂತಕತೆ ಎಂದೇ ಗುರುತಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವ ಅರಳಿಕಟ್ಟೆಯವರು ಸ್ತ್ರೀ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ, ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ, ಅರಣ್ಯ ನಾಶದ ಪರಿಣಾಮಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಜಲಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಅರಿವು ಮೂಡಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಬೆನ್ನೆಲುಬಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಿರುವವರು ಇವರ ಪತ್ನಿ ರಮಾ ದತ್ತಾತ್ರೇಯ ಅವರು. ಇವರ ಯಾನ ಹೀಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯಲಿ ಎಂಬುದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲಾಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳ ಆಶಯ.
ಶಿವ ಪರ ಶಿವ ಸದಾ ಶಿವ ಈಶ್ವರ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ.
नमस्कार सर, स्वागत है आपका. वेलकम.
नमस्कार.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपको देख के सर. आज
नमस्कार.
आज हमारे शो में आप हैं, आपका स्वागत है. बहुत बहुत
प्रणाम.
जय हो. सर, आप संगेरी के रहने वाले हैं, जो कि शंकराचार्य की भूमि है और पूरे देश में पूजी जाती है. बहुत दिव्य पवित्र भूमि है, आध्यात्मिक भूमि है. तो आप का जो ये शिक्षक बनने के साथ साथ पुतलियों से, पपेट से जो प्रेम था, ये कैसे शुरू हुआ सर? हाउ यू स्टार्टेड द पपेट्स, मेकिंग पपेट्स एंड मैनिपुलेटिंग पपेट्स?
सब लोगों को प्रणाम. नमस्ते सदस्यस्पतये नमस्सखीनाम. Before commencing my talk, I would like to ask your excuse because हिंदी में बात करने के लिए हम लोगों को बहुत मुश्किल है, क्योंकि हिंदी हमारा मातृभाषा नहीं है. इसके लिए हम अंग्रेजी भाषा में बातचीत करूंगा. इसके लिए कृपया क्षमा कीजिए.
No problems.
हाँ.
Okay sir.
Actually, in my opinion, a teacher should be an artist. Artist should be a teacher. It is. It is. Yeah. Teacher should be an artist. Artist should be a teacher. It is the two faces of a single coin. And teacher should be a puppeteer, because puppetry is a medium of instruction. Puppet means not a statue or any other thing, toys or anything. It's different because it is having its own anatomy. And right from the beginning, my ancestors were doing this. After 4 or 5 generations, it's completely stopped because of it is very difficult for those time to earn bread and butter at that time. So it was completely stopped. Now I have started since 40 years. I'm practicing and I'm learning this puppetry. And also I'm a teacher in Bangalore Higher Secondary School since 30 years. And teacher should be a puppeteer. Puppetry is a medium of instruction. It is a main teaching aid for us. It is very easy for us to make students to understand the lesson with the help of puppets. Puppets only for the episode we need not be having a puppet. For everything we can make use of that. It is all depending on our personification, how we are presenting before the students. That's very much important. Puppetry is a very ancient one, very old one, even older than Vedas. We know There are four Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama, and Atharvana Veda. These are all four Vedas. In Yajur Veda, in the 13th chapter of Yajur Veda, there is a Puttarika Prayoga. That means we have to understand this puppet theatre is older than these Vedas. So there are two things: one Chitramsi Prayoga, another one is Puthali Prayoga. Chitramsi Prayoga means that is a leather puppet theatre, and Puthalika Prayoga means puppet. Actually, different type of puppet. It is not leather. Other than leather, all the puppetry will be in one branch. That is Puthalika Prayoga. And you can see all these things in so many Puranas, Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Vishnu Purana, and all these things. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says to Arjuna, in actually the big war is going on. In the middle of the war, Arjuna was very much unhappy. He did not want to kill any one of his relatives. Then he told to Krishna, Krishna, why should I unnecessarily kill all my relatives and friends and brothers and all? So what I am achieving by killing? So I would like to go back to make penance in the middle of the forest. Then Krishna says, Arjuna, you need not worry. You are only like a puppet. You have to do what I am telling, and all these karmas will be not touching for you. So here, the puppetry is told here, and Krishna is called Sutradhara. Sutradhara is who controls the puppet is Sutradhara. That is now taken over the drama theatre. Drama theatre, that is the Sutradhara means director. Director should know everything in the drama theatre, but in puppet theatre, he should be an artist. He should be able to do making of puppets, designs, and writing the dialogue, music, manipulation. Everything should be known to the director. That's why he's called as Sutradhara. Sutra means string. Dhara means who is having control over this thread. He is Sutradhara. And at present in India, there are 5 types of puppet theatre practiced in India. One is string puppet. The term itself explains what it is. So manipulation is with the help of only strings. The weight of the puppet will be around 500 grams. Only strings, and I will show you afterwards. Then rod puppets. Mostly North Indian people are practicing this rod puppets, particularly in West Bengal, Gujarat, and these places you can see rod puppets. Next one, that is third one, rod cum string puppets. Combination of string puppet theatre and some of the important elements of rod puppet theatre joining together and practicing rod cum string puppet theatre. That is what we are practicing now. Here, each puppet weighs around 8 to 10 kgs in generally. In our puppet theatre, Lankadahana or Ramayana, you can see Ravana, it is weighing around 18.5 kg. The speciality of these puppets, human characters do not have any legs. I will show this. This is my daughter, Parvati. The entire thing is made up of solid wood. We are selecting traditional wood for the making of these puppets, and all the ornaments, customs, everything is completely depending on the tradition and temple-based art form. This called. You can see all this Mangal Sutra and all other ornaments you can see, and here the earring, here Shankha, Chakra, Surya, Chandra, and this is Jada, that's bridal Jata hairstyle, and here almost for everything For every questions, we are able to identify the answers with the help of puppet theater. Here also, why should be these 24 steps are here? What is the meaning and what is the philosophy behind this? Why should we have? Here also, Surya and Chandra is here. And what is the significance of this thing? Here also you can see we are engraved here, in this wood, and then inserted glass here. You can see here. This also specific meaning, and having this chand or bindi on the forehead. All these things, and also wearing sari, and you can see the palm also. This style is called Mudrika style. Mudrika means union of pointer and thumb. It will be like this. In dance theater, you can see this. They call this mudra. The evolution of mudra is chin mudra. Chin mudra means union of pointer and thumb. That is, this is Paramatma, this is Jivatma. And Jivatma and Paramatma's union is called Mudra, Mudrika. That means in our lifetime, in this lifetime, it is possible if we mind to see the God or self-realization or moksha. That is called Mudra, Mudrika style of puppet theater. What we are practicing now here. See all the palms of all the puppets like this only. That is that shows the pointer and the thumb is united. That is called Mudrika. And in Natya Shastra also, this very significance is there. Significance meaning is there. Scope is there. This explains almost all the doubts we are having. For that, it gives the explanation for that, and also gives the answer for that. And this is called Mudrika style of puppet theater we are practicing. This is since olden days. As I told you, in Vedas, they have started, all the Rishimunis are giving the importance for this. Why? Because now, even today, the spirituality is the main aim of education. Spirituality means attaining moksha. So that was the main theme of education since so many generations and years. So that is why they have practiced, they have started this type of Mudrika style of puppet theater, the whole world. So even today, it's called as temple-based art form. It is practiced not only in Karnataka, almost all the South Indian areas, temples, you can see this. And also we can make use of this in the medium of education. One, for example, Dr. Shivram Karant wrote a small drama called Kisa Gautami. That is actually Buddha's story. That also we have depicted with the help of this puppet theater, Buddha and Kisa Gautami. So it was very much appreciated, and the students were able to understand such a big episode in 1 hour one hour episode. That is Kisa Gautami, and the students were able to understand these things. So with the help of all these things, it is very easy for a teacher to make the students to understand the situation and the story. This is the third type of puppet theater practice. The first one, as I told you, string puppets. Second one is rod puppets. Third one is rod cum string puppets. The fourth one is leather puppet. We need not explain this because it is used leather. Leather is nothing but skin of animals. Particularly in the old days, they were taking the deer's skin for that, and it is tanned and writing all the sketches and then cutting the skin into puppet form and making use of this with a color and a small stick. That is the origin of film theater. And the last one is education puppets or glow puppets. So it will be like this only. For example, this you can see. So this is the educational puppets. Actually, this is made up of woolen or acrylic. So this Panchatantra stories you can make use of these characters is long lasting, and it's very easy to express our feelings here also. See. I'm feeling hungry. I'm feeling hungry. I want some animal to eat and satisfy my hunger. Hey, come on. I'm going to kill you and satisfy my hunger. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, 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 oh. This is a small presentation. Like this, almost all the animals we have, and there are about 30 to 40 animals like this. This is called glow puppets or education puppets. You can do. It is very easy for a teacher to make understand the student with the help of this. So it's a great invention of modern times. See,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Dr. Teji, first of all, welcome once again to the show.
Sir,
Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, sure,
Okay.
sure.
As you said that you do not know Hindi, but I'll say Kannada Bhasha Baralla.
No, it's okay, sir. No problem at all, sir. I can understand you.
So we'll converse in English, little easy English, and I'll request you, whatever Hindi you know, kindly talk in between some Hindi. What subject do you teach basically in the school, in Bangalore High School? What subject do you teach?
So there's geography. I'm a
Geography, okay.
geography teacher, social science.
Okay. We had in this program, we had 2 shows on puppetry in which we had the 2 trained teachers of CCRT called Dr. Jyoti Gandhi and somebody else, I think, from her region also. They both explained to us in puppetry. They told us in detail about puppetry. We would like to hear from you some things about traditional puppetry, in the sense that puppetry, as you said, is in Varaha Puran, there is a reference when Shiva's son Skand, whom we call Kartikeya, is also given a toy, and called Puttalika. So we have traditional references of puppetry right from, as you said, from Veda's time onwards. We have the puppetry tradition in this country. And in Hindi, we normally say that we are the puppets in the hands of that supreme power. We do not. We are nothing. Right? And this is what you have explained very nicely. Very nicely, you said it's a game, or it's a play of Jivatma and Paramatma, and that's why you have Muddika puppets, whom you have said. In one sentence, you said that your puppets doesn't have legs. Am I right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Right. Like in Odisha, when they play shadow puppet, they call Ravan Chaya, because they say gods don't have the shadow. That's why it's known as Ravan Chaya. And you have revealed us that in your puppet, in huge puppet which weighs from 8 kilo to 18 kilo,
Yeah.
but they don't have legs, but they have costume, full costume, which has a manifestation, which has a meaning, because Surya, Chandrama, and on the choti you have platelets of 24 platelets, and you have everything which has a meaning, which has a symbolic meaning, right?
Yeah.
Am I right? Am I right?
Correct. Yes.
Correct. Okay. But is there any specific reason that you don't have, your puppet doesn't have legs?
Yeah. Because actually, no, I wanted to explain all these things after this, hand
Okay.
puppets, these glove puppets, no? Now,
Right.
I'm going to concentrating on what we are doing. So,
Okay.
Puthali Kalaranga and myself, we are practicing Mudrika style of puppet theater. Now, I'm going to explain all those things. As I told you, the human characters do not have lyrics because this art form is the combination of dance and music. If you put leg to this puppets, it's very difficult for us to manipulate the
Manipulate.
puppet. That's why
Manipulate.
there's
Okay.
no legs for human characters. And
Okay.
then puppeteer's leg will be the puppets, the leg of the puppets. I will show you. And then
Okay.
all these things made up of solid wood and traditional wood.
Right.
So the whole thing is completely made up of wood. This particularly this part is Shiva Honne, and this part of teak, and this part of also. So this is teak, this is Shiva Honne. Here you can see, it is a combination of rods and string, as I told you.
Mm-hmm.
Here, say this will be entire thing. The puppet will be like this one. I'm going to show the example for the. So the whole thing. Here only
Okay.
the puppets are only this much. No
Okay.
legs here. So how to manipulate with the. So all this connected. Sir, 1 minute. So ಇದನ್ನ ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ remove ಮಾಡು. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು manipulate ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
So you are saying basically you are saying that you have from head to torso. That's all. Head to torso,
Yeah.
but lower part is not there in the puppet.
Yeah.
Only with the makeup you cover it and you say that it's a complete figure.
1 minute.
Yeah, it's okay. Your daughter is beautiful.
Oh, actually-
your daughter is divine.
Yeah, yes. 1 minute, sir.
Yeah, it's okay.
I will show how to manipulate. Actually, the 12 feet long and 12 feet depth, and then it's just like 7.5 feet, and then 3 feet, and it's just like on window. I think you can see that you have already seen in that video.
Yes.
It is just a window like that is called proscenium. In between the very big and then black curtain will be there. Puppeteer will be standing behind black curtain, and then in front of this black curtain, puppets will be manipulated. How they are manipulating?
Okay.
So 1 minute. One minute.
गिरीश सर, पहले जब हम छोटे थे गांव में बहुत आते थे ये।
हाँ,
अब नहीं
बहुत आते थे।
पहले खासतौर से उत्तर भारत के मध्य प्रदेश, बनारस।
अब मोबाइल में देखते हैं ना, मोबाइल हो गए अब।
पहले गांव में जैसे वो आते थे, मदारी आते थे, तो पपेट वाले भी आते थे, स्कूलों में जाते थे, ये स्कूलों में कार्यक्रम होते थे हमारे टाइम पे इसके।
But puppet has a range from 9 months to 90 years. It entertains.
हाँ,
And you just
It is believed
venture
that-
into your own dream world.
it is believed that it has originated almost 4,500 years ago.
Quite right.
The origin of puppetry,
Mhm.
and ancient that Egypt.
बट इनका जो मैनिपुलेशन का आर्ट है ना दत्तात्रेय जी का, विद आयरन रॉड्स में पर्दे के पीछे से लोहे के उससे छड़ों से, वो बहुत
ये सबसे डिफिकल्ट है, स्ट्रिंग वाली सबसे डिफिकल्ट है।
डेफिनेटली रिक्वायर डेफनेस।
हाँ, ये
डेफिनेटली रिक्वायर डेफनेस,
क्योंकि वो देख नहीं सकता, पर्दे के पीछे है वो आदमी और पर्दे के आगे
नहीं, वो ऊपर से देखते हैं, पर्दे के पीछे रह के सिर से देखते हैं यूं करके, वहां से देख पाते हैं, नहीं तो वाह देखिए पार्वती जी जिंदा हो गई।
हाँ बिल्कुल। भट्ट जी हमारे कहाँ गए? भट्ट जी इधर ही हैं।
ये देखिए, वाह,
Connected to this, and it will be connected to a ring. This ring will be on puppeteer's head.
Oh.
So the entire weight of this puppet will be on puppeteer's head, because these puppets do not have any legs.
Yeah.
So if you stand like this, so it will be like this, and the entire weight will be on puppeteer's head.
Yes.
And the manipulation technique is, I told you now, this Mudrika style palm.
I think our trained people.
This rod is in puppeteer's hand.
Yeah.
And the manipulation is like this.
Yeah, okay.
Rama, sing a song for us. Bhagya Lakshmi Barma Bandre.
ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲಂ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ನಿಕೃತ ಗೆಜೆಯ ಕಾಲಿನ ನಾದಾಚಾರುತ ಸಜ್ಜನ ಸಾಧು ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆ ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆಯೊಳಗಿನ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯಂತೆ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ.
बहुत सुंदर, एक्सीलेंट।
Yes.
One nimisha, Brahma. Sir, you can see 3 threads.
Yes, I can see.
The significance of these 3 threads, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, are 3 gunas: Sattva guna, Rajo guna, and Tamo guna. It is connected to a ring. This ring is the significance of Bindu. So in ancient scriptures, you can see that Nada Bindu Kalatitaya Namo Namaha. Nada means it can be explained, it cannot be shown to anybody. The evolution of Nada is Bindu. Bindu is here. According to Bhagavad Purana, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwaras, actually the evolution of Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara are birth are from this Bindu. So this will be here. So that is actually, this is Sahasrara Chakra place. Here also see, this is another, apart from this Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, there are 3 types of nadis in our body.
These are?
Physically we are seeing the nerve system and bone system and all. So like nerve system, in our spiritual, because this is physical body we are seeing, another body is there, that is inner body. That is the inner body is full of nadis.
Full of nadis, yes.
Are here Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna.
Sushumna, yes, three types of.
Nadis are controlling the whole human anatomy.
Yes. Oh, you have taken the explanation to a newer height today, in the sense that we never thought that the three trinity of God originated from Bindu, and these three threads represent those three supreme powers and the inner body with three types of nadi. We have heard about Sushumna and all three nadis.
Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna. Yeah.
Ida or Sushumna, yes, no doubt.
Same thing I wanted to say, that we have seen many puppet show, but never somebody have explained it in related specialty.
Oh, yes. That's why he's the master, no? That's why Dr. Dattatreya Venkatte is the master.
It is something
इसीलिए तो
unique.
ये सब टीचर शो है सर.
Huh?
ये शो की वजह है.
I'm not able to understand. Once again, please.
No, Mr. Bahuguna says that we have been seeing the show, we have been hearing the show, we have been interacting with the puppeteers, but till today nobody explained to us that what is the science and what is the philosophy and what is the religious beliefs behind this three things. Yes,
sir.
you are right.
Actually, the philosophy of puppet theater itself, the puppet is in the place of God, and puppets are actually human beings are the puppets of God. That is the philosophy puppet theater practiced in India, because in olden days the Maharshis actually invented this, because we should not forget God always.
Oh yes, we should never forget. Never ever.
Yeah. They wanted to teach this ethics to everybody. That is why they have started giving puppeteer practices in olden days. Now, even today, it is practiced in India. We are in the hands of God. We the people are the puppets in the hands of God.
God, yes, no doubt about it. But
this whole society here, we are in the place of God. Here, puppets are here. If we manipulate like what we like, accordingly, God is also controlling us. We are controlling the puppets with the help of rods. God is controlling us actually an unknown thread that is called a karma. Because it goes in beyond. In karma also, the Satkarma and Dushkarma. Satkarma actually, that is nothing but the Punya Karma, and Dushkarma is the Papa Karma. So according to this Punya Papa, God is giving all the fruits of the Punya Karma if we do good deeds in our previous Janma, and bad deeds, good or bad, whatever maybe it is, accordingly we will get the fruit of this karma. If you are good and if everything is based on our previous births fruits. That is the philosophy here. Here I told you three threads are there. Three threads, even one thread is union of three threads. You can see here three threads are here. It's combined together. So, in our philosophy, inner body is a combination of Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna. Ida and Pingala can be seen, Sushumna cannot be seen. If you want to see the Sushumna Nadi, you have to go to Samadhi. All these three things are joined together, it's called Shikha. I think even you can see even today, many people are having the types here.
Yes.
Tasya Shikhaya Madhye Parama Atma Vyavastitaha. That is the Shikha place is called Sahasrara. If you go to Sahasrara, you are going to realize everything. There is no anything. That is the ultimate moksha, ultimate salvation. That is called Sahasrara. That place actually we are playing a small. Even you can see Chanakya. It's a most powerful man because here the small Shika is there. Shika is more powerful. Even today you can see from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, many people are practicing this. After 1836, the English introduction of English education, all these traditions are vanishing day by day.
Many
Yes, sir.
things I wanted to ask you.
Please, sir.
One, as I said, this is the most dedicated
Ah.
part of because in the Hindus, when somebody dies, no, in the cremation ground, Kapal Kriya is done. Kapal Kriya
Yes.
means this portion is ritually there's a ritual which is performed because this is the most important part of the human body, as you
Yes,
said,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
The other question
That
I
is
wanted
why-
to ask you, in Karnataka, I have said this in some of the previous episodes that in Karnataka, every child is explained the story of Punyakoti.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
You correct,
Punyakoti
sir.
is the story of cow who goes to a jungle. Have you made any attempts? Have you made any attempts to translate that story into puppet show?
Yes, very long back actually we have performed. That is called Punyakoti.
Punyakoti, yes.
ಧರಣಿ ಮಂಡಲ ಮಧ್ಯದೊಳಗೆ ಮೆರೆಯುತಿಹ ಕರ್ನಾಟ ದೇಶವು ಕಾಳಿಂಗನೆಂಬ ಕೊಲ್ಲನು ಕಾಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದನು ಗಂಗೆ ಬಾರೆ ಗೌರಿ ಬಾಯೆ ಕಾಮಧೇನು ನೀನು ಬಾರೆ like this going on. It's actually Karnataka traditional folklore. It's the
Yes.
story between a tiger and cow and then
The calf.
that is Punyakoti story. Actually, we are performing it also.
Lovely. I think Bahugunaji has a question to ask you.
No. Datta sir,
Yes,
can
sir.
you hear me?
Yeah, I'm able to hear.
This puppetry has a very very long history.
Yeah.
Many centuries ago, and it is believed that some 4,000 years ago it was originated. So could you please
Yeah.
tell us the genesis of this puppetry? How it
Yeah,
originated and how it came
Yeah.
to India, or it was in India earlier also, and how it differentiate from others?
No, I'm going to send an article in English to
Yeah.
your email.
Okay. But
Sir,
ये
tell
बड़ी
me.
बहुगुणाजी ने शुरू में बताया ना कि यजुर्वेद में
Yeah.
देयर आर रेफरेंसेस ऑफ पपेट्स. आप
Yes.
वराह पुराण को पढ़ेंगे. वराह पुराण में जो स्टोरी है वो शिव के पुत्र स्कंद गणेश, हम गणेश और कार्तिकेय कहते हैं, वो स्कंद के.
Story is there.
वहां पर भी एक पुतली का एक खिलौना कहा गया, खिलौना खेलने के लिए उसको पुतली का नाम दिया गया. तो पुतली
Yes.
का
Actually, it's a story.
very interesting.
Then Shiva and Parvati were actually when they were in Kailasa. Again, many people in the Bhuloka, they were meditating, pronouncing Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva wanted to give boon for them. He told Parvati, I want to go to Bhuloka because some of the devotees are praying for me and doing great penance. I want to go to there and then give boon to them. So immediately he vanished from Kailasa. He went to ready to start to Bhuloka. Then he told,
She is tired, sir.
that is story. And then before going to Bhuloka, Parvati told, I am getting bored because no any other work, so I want to do something. Immediately he gave some small toys to play, and then he went to Bhuloka. Parvati completed all his household works, and then at that time all these dolls are creating some problem, going and pulling her ties, pulling her saree, and then pulling her leg and all. She got angry. She shouted like, "Why can't you keep quiet?" Immediately, all the dolls are completely kept quiet and then fell down there itself. She completed her work and then wanted to play with this dolls. So all these dolls were completely off, switched off, no life at
सर
all. And
एक
then
प्रश्न है,
at that time Shiva came, and then Parvati asked her, she was weeping. Shiva asked her, "Why Parvati? Why are you weeping? So you gave all this doll. They were giving me a lot of trouble." I shouted, "They all these dolls are dead." Okay, throw the dustbin. No, no, I want the doll itself. No, how it is possible for me to give love once again? They have already dead. No, I want the same doll itself. Immediately, Shiva took some thread and then putting those thread to limbs, hands, backside of two ears, and then head and forehead, and this waist, all these places put connected the thread and then showed this. This is actually, according to folklore, this is the origin one story told by almost all the folk in India. This is how puppetry started.
एक प्रश्न है
And
सर, हमारा एक दर्शक है, दत्तात्रेय सर,
sir,
1 मिनट, एक प्रश्न है आपके लिए। राकेश पोखरियाल जी हमारे एक दर्शक हैं, वो पूछ रहे हैं कि which open source or community tools can be used to make puppet more powerful?
yes, sir. We on the halls, even Pachatandra story, even any other stories, for example, particularly we are practicing only traditional show, right? Krishna Tulabhara, Krishna Parijata, Girja Kalyana, and all. Apart from that, Shivaji Maharaja stories, and then Buddha stories, Kisa Gautami, I told you, no. These are all they can know. Once if you do this, because we are practicing traditional theatre, that is why we are doing all this on the traditional method only. You can do it in some other, even string puppets also you can do it. It will be long lasting, about 50 to 60 years again. These wooden puppets are hundreds of years together, at least 500 years minimum, because we are using Shivahone, teak, and then jackfruit, and then mango. All these things we are using. We are speaking and we are trying to reduce the weight of the puppet, because 8 kg or 10 kg is very difficult. Certain years we can practice, afterwards as we will get some spinal cord problems. That is why we are reducing the weight of this puppet. Sir, question? You are asking something?
You can read that. Question by Rakesh Pokhriyal.
Sir, any question? Or may I continue?
No, I'm telling that हमारे जो आज के मेहमान है दत्तात्रेय सर, उन्हें जैसा कि मैंने पहले ही बताया था कि 3 राष्ट्रपतियों से पुरस्कृत होने का सौभाग्य मिला, और ये बहुत रेयर देखा जाता है कि किसी शिक्षक के पास इतनी बड़ी उपलब्धियां हों। तो उसकी एक छोटी सी झलक हम देखते हैं सर, फिर उसके बाद आगे हम बातचीत जारी रखेंगे।
Yeah, sir, one thing, the India is a cultural country. We are having a lot of cultural problems. Puppet theater is only the tool to explain all these things. Yeah.
So this was the लिटिल क्लिप। तो सर ये
Thank you so much.
तीन राष्ट्रपतियों से आपने पुरस्कार लिया, तो ये जो ताजे वाले राष्ट्रपति थे और पुराने वाले राष्ट्रपति हैं, इन सब के बीच में आपकी यात्रा में कितना अंतर आया?
ಎಷ್ಟು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿ ಹತ್ರ ನೀವು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರ 3 ಜನ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ?
Actually, the first CCR award in 1997, January 17th, if I'm correct. And the second national award that when Abdul Kalam was there in 2003, they received in 2004, September 5th. And then third national award, Sangeet Natka Academy Award, and January 17th, 2018. That's third national award. And then many Aryabhatta Award and the Kempegoda Puruskar, and there's so many that I actually completely forgotten how many awards I received. Yes, sir.
ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಕೇಳಿ.
Your puppets are
The problem is that
सर
I'm not able to hear.
आप दो डिवाइस से लिंक है सर, एक से बाहर आ जाएंगे तो तब सही होगा, नहीं तो ये आवाज डिस्टर्ब करेगी। आप लैपटॉप और फोन दोनों से शायद जुड़े हुए हैं, तो किसी एक से बाहर होना होगा।
किसको
That's not ours.
जी अब बोलिए सर, अब बोलिए।
नहीं, मैं तो देख ही नहीं पा रहा किसी को।
नहीं हम देख रहे हैं सर आपको, आप बोलिए।
अच्छा, Dattatreya ji, you said that your puppets are made out of special wood, right?
Yeah.
While before you start working or making the puppet, do you go through any religious process to
Yes, sir. Yes,
to
sir.
propitiate the wood?
Because
To propitiate the wood? What is that process?
only 5 types of woods are taken to making puppets on the basis of Shilpa Shastra. In Shilpa Shastra, there are 2 types. One is Kasta Shilpa, other is Shila Shilpa. Kasta Shilpa is made up of 5 types of woods. One is teak, that is tega, and then one is Shilpa. Botanical name of that.
हल्ला सा हो रहा है बहुत ज्यादा, क्या साउंड आ रहा है?
दो डिवाइस से आप ऑन है, 2 डिवाइस से किसी एक को बंद करेंगे तब आवाज ठीक आएगी।
किसकी?
आप में देखिए,
डबल रोल में आ गए तो
किसी एक से बाहर जाइए सर,
राम और श्याम।
अपने फोन और
सर, मेरा फोन ऑफ है।
सर एक बंद कर सर। सर मैंने आपको म्यूट किया है अभी। आप कौन से डिवाइस से बोल रहे हैं अभी सर? एक से हटना होगा आपको, नहीं तो ये होता रहेगा।
ನೀವಲ್ಲ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಅವರು ಎರಡು ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಒಂದು ಫೋನ್ ಒಂದು
दो
ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್।
क्यों दिख रहे हैं?
2 से है ना, 2 से सर किससे आएंगे? एक से हटना पड़ेगा आपको, एक से बाहर चले जाइए।
अरे फोन ऑफ है, से बात कर रहा हूं यार।
आप 2 डिवाइस
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು।
जिन्हें आपकी आईडी हैक कर ली है,
इसको हटाओ।
जिन्हें आपकी आईडी हैक कर ली है।
ठीक है सर, अभी ठीक है। हेलो,
हाँ,
आप ठीक है?
आप सुन पा रहे हैं सर?
ठीक है।
आप ठीक है
yes,
सर? अब वो हटा दिया, फोन हटा दिया, अब 2 जगह से लिंक था इसलिए दिक्कत आ रही थी।
And because of we have completely no other device other than laptop. Only one laptop we have.
I also have one laptop.
Hmm.
How do you process and how do you propitiate the wood?
No, because
What kind
it
of wood?
completely requires some sort of a carpentry work.
Any religious things you do with the puppet, with the wood?
Yes, sir. Definitely, because even for everything, religious practices are there. Even before commencing the puppet show, and then after the completion of puppet show also, we have to perform pujas and then arati. This is everybody is practicing the same thing in almost all the puppet theater. We are also doing the same thing. This is actually we have colored. That's why we are. It is like a colorful dolls. Before that coloring, this will be. This is original wood.
Raw wood.
Original wood.
Okay.
This is completely made up of for completely teak wood.
Teak wood.
Teak. But teak is quite heavy. But teak
Yeah,
is
it's heavy.
quite heavy.
Yeah.
I was thinking that
Actually, we have completely taken out inner part of this thing, and this will be the head will be hollow, and then body will be hollow, and then here in the time of
I
the hand,
got it.
there will be a small hole here, and then here also this part is also with a small hollow, and here also with the help of this thread. 1 minute, I will show that.
Like we have veins in our body.
Yeah. See here. Now I think you can see. 1 minute.
Oh, okay.
This is separate part. This is separate. This is separate. Here there is a hole. Here also hole. Here also hole. Here also hole. Actually, we are putting thread here, so you can see the thread. It's going through this part and connect to the spinal cord problem, the spinal cord area, and then we are going to try there. Here is, see, one hole is here. That is called Brahmarandra.
Brahmarandra.
This part is called Brahmarandra, and another you can see this. Here you can see Sahasrara Chakra. So there is a hole here. We are going to tie here, and then we are going to tie here in this part.
भट्ट जी,
Yeah, we are going to tie here.
इनके राजेंद्र प्रसाद उपाध्याय जी के कमेंट्स हैं कि अनंत में समाहित होने के लिए कपाल क्रिया की जाती होगी। रजनीकांत शुक्ल जी बहुत अच्छी कमेंट कर रहे हैं, ये देखिए आपने डाल दिया। और मनोहर चमोली जी ने एक बड़ा अच्छा प्रश्न पूछा था। If you can put that question, it was around 10-15 minutes.
दिक्कत ये आ रही टेक्निकल की, ये कमेंट जो है मुझे देख नहीं रहे हैं, तो मुझे बार-बार बाहर जाना पड़ा है, रिफ्रेश होना पड़ा है, तब फेसबुक का कमेंट में देख पा रहा हूँ। तो ये टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम आ जा रही है। ये चमोली जी का
इसका कुछ उत्तर ये इसने इनसे मिल सकेगा शायद
जी,
खतरे जी से। Yes, Dattatraya ji, tell us, what are you going to tell?
Sir,
please tell.
may I continue?
Yes, please.
So it is carried up, and then this is separate part. You get this will go like this. See.
Oh yes. Achha.
And then here also, Hindi in India this is called in outside India, they are called dotted Indians. Most of my media are gentlemen. They are putting bindu here, that is kumkum. The significance is nowadays almost all the girls are doing. What is the purpose of putting bindu in this particular area? I told you now that nada bindu kalati tayi namo namaha. That nada can be experienced where, particularly in this place. And churu laptop sarimaru. Here, this is called Agna Chakra. In between these two eyebrows, this is called Prakriti. This place is called, you can see in early in the morning or late in the dawn or dusk, you can see the color of the sun. It will not be completely red or any other color. It is called Tamra color. That is copper color. Nearing red. Tamra Varna. So it is here. So Nada Bindu can be expressed. This is the significance of Bindu. This is called Agna Chakra. There are 7 chakras, or normally the people are telling Shat chakras. That is Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi, Agnya, 6th one, and 7th one, Sahasrara. If you go through this Madhyama Nadi, that is Madhyama Nadi means Sushumna Nadi, you can see all these things. You can see a whole the world. If you close your eyes and sit in a particular place, you can see all the 3 kalas and 3 lokas. Everything you can visualize yourself within ourselves. Closing our eyes. Normally we know to see the world opening with the eyes. Jnanis are seeing the whole world with closing their eyes. That is the difference between Jnanis and we people. And then also, I'm going to complete this with some of the important things. Because in the tradition, actually, has the tradition, right? So, wearing sari is a tradition. Wearing jada is also tradition. Here, there are 3 branches. These 3 branches are Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna. There are sometimes you can see 7 steps. You can see 6 steps. Sometimes it is 27 steps. The 6 steps actually Shat Chakra. If you're having 7 steps, it is Saptarshi Mandala. And then if it is 21 steps, it is Nakshatra Mandala. Ashwini, Bharani, Kritika, Rohini, like that. There are 27 nakshatras in our Tara Mandala. I think you can understand this. This is actually the significance of wearing jada. For the male characters, we are having jada, that is shikha. Female are having jada. That too from the place of Sahasrara. So this is the beginning of the Surya and Chandra. That is called Nadis. Ida Nadi is called Chandra Nadi. Pingala Nadi is called Suri Nadi. That is why dancers are wearing Surya and Chandra in the left hand side part of head here. Any question?
Without going further into deep philosophy of Hindu religion, I think many dedicated, intelligent teachers would like to know what is your opinion that how we can introduce or reintroduce the art of puppetry in schools.
Yes,
what should we do? What should we do as a very experienced teacher and as well as a performer? You have seen the inner world as well as the outer world, right?
Yes,
you know the difficulties. You know the difficulties what teachers face in the school, and they are very
yes, sir,
keen.
I will come to that place now.
Yeah.
Actually, this is the land of spirituality, if I'm correct. So
Yes.
the people should taught basically the culture, and then philosophy and science. What is the science behind that? That's also we have to teach. That is why this Mudrika style is practiced since so many generations. Rishis and great people, they have started this. Now, what is the significance of puppetry in education? That's very important. So we can do many other puppets like this. I will show you even that also. As I told you, actually different puppets you can see. Now here,
Oh, King Cobra.
Cobra,
Yes.
snake. Again, yes. This is snake. You can see the snake charmer. 1 minute, be like that.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕೆ ಎತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಂಚಪ್ಪ
Oh, grand.
Yeah, snake charmer. This is actually Rajasthani puppet, sir.
Yeah.
This is Rajasthani puppets.
Did you go to Bharatiya Lokala Mandal in Udaipur?
Yes, sir. Very long back, I had been 3 times.
Okay.
So this the snake charmer is common. Everybody knows snake charmer is in India is a land of snake charmers and elephant. See. And then, sir, I need not tell anything because low cost material. I told you this completely. So for traditional puppet theatre practice in India, now you can see there's a low cost materials. Actually, in CCRT we are doing the same thing. The waste paper, and then menti, copper sulfide.
Quite right.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, we can.
Yeah, these things you can see. These are actually our students did all these things. So cost very less cost. So you can, according to your imagination and according to our textbook, we can make use of this type of puppets. So investment is only interest of the teacher and interest of the student. So these are actually students did all these things. This is actually Larabanga Shastri's puppet face. So you can see this also. They are actually by small primary school students they did. See how this is glow puppet. You can see here. Namaskar. I am Bahadur Ram Singh. I wanted to contest in the coming election. Please cast your vote. I already murdered only 250 people, and then I stolen 2,500 crores of rupees. And then please cast your valuable vote for me. Now I'm going to win. I'm going to spoil the whole nation. Jai Pakistan. Jai Modi.
No, that's what I said. That Bharatiya Lokala Mandal in Udaipur has done a lot of work. Right? Deviraj Samarji, who established Bharatiya Lokala Mandal. Are you able to hear me?
Yeah.
So Deviraj Samarji also got Padma Shri because of his dedication. And the Rajasthani puppet traditions are very unique, like your tradition or the Ravan Chaya or Tola Bindalattu, etc. Our question was, what are your suggestions? Teachers are interested, students are interested. How to cage the DOs, the deputy directors, the directors to make them understand the importance of this art. Have you made any effort? Did you get any response from Karnataka government?
So no encouragement from the government. It completely depending on the teacher's interest and students' interest. So puppet means it need not be a characteristic. It may be anything you can take. Anything you can take. It all depending on your imagination. Even take a small chalk piece as a tool of yeah. You can take a small pen. This also you can take this. You can imagine the personification is very important here. You can say this. You can this is Shivaji. This is Akbar. The conversation between these two, like that. For that investment is nothing. Your interest is the investment of this, and your imagination is very important. And how you are communicating or making students to understand the situation and the thing. That's very important. You need not make a puppet for that purpose only. You can take anything what you want to do. But at that time, students will be seeing not this pen or pen cap. They will be seeing Babar and Shivaji. Whosoever may be it is. It all the skillfulness of a teacher. So you can see so many things here.
So let's be hopeful, sir. Let's be hopeful that new education policy might throw some new guidelines. New education policy, which has just been released,
yes,
might encourage teachers and the directors and the deputy directors and the district education officers to encourage teachers to bring
because
the
our
art.
effort is there, sir. But actually now there should be maybe I'm expecting rapid change in the education system and policy. Till now, there is no such type of efforts made by the center or state government. They are very much interested in curriculum part of the education system, and then they were much interested in seeing the marks card and ranking system only. No culture or nothing like that. Now the system is gradually changing. I think government give a lot of encouragement for these teachers, and because it's a very powerful media of education, even from the right from the LKG, UKG steps to even university level also, we can make use of the puppets as a educational media. I told you know, it need not be even small beaker can be a puppet.
Yes.
Anything, it all depends on our imagination and interest, as I told you. The main intention is make the students to understand the situation and the thing to understand.
Have you made any efforts in introducing puppetry in teaching geography in your class, in your school?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
yes, sir.
How did you do it?
Studies,
how did you do it?
of things. Even it is recognized by the Department of Education, and that's why my name was there in Teachers Award. I think you know I need not explain because actually you are the first guru for me to do all the.
No, let's not talk. Let's not talk. Let's not talk about that issue. But I am saying that DSCRT, Hosakera Halli, has used you as a resource person in training other teachers?
No, sir.
No. So what kind of other encouragements, apart from giving your name for the Teachers Award, what encouragement did you get from DSCRT, Hosakera Halli, Banshankari?
From DSCRT, they saw what I am doing and all those things. They selected me for this award, and then actually I told Shivram Karansa's Kisa Gautami, the first person I would adopted Kisa Gautami to puppet farm.
Okay.
One day they saw, so this is a beautiful concept. Really, it's an amazing thing like that. They told, they gave me a lot of opportunities to present in so many schools and in district schools and for distance schools, very village schools and all. I performed, and then this is not only this thing. Even for girl child education also, we did lot of with ordinary puppets like this, girl child education,
Hmm. Are you
and
are
then
you stuck?
environmental problem also. Indra Chapa, I got first place and a state award for that also. I got Indra
Are you
Chapa. That is
stuck?
nothing but
Dattatreya ji,
environmental problem.
are you
Yes, sir.
stuck in your own traditions because you have participated in world puppetry festivals all around the world?
Yes, sir.
How your learning takes place? What do you learn from going abroad or participating in other festivals? How do you see the development of art of puppetry in India? Because I think the art of puppetry is stuck. It's somewhat making very slow progress.
Because sir, one thing what happened, the puppeteer is not quite capable of transforming the knowledge and then solving the questions asked by the public or students. We should be able to understand. For example, one example, cutting of the ties here in the girls.
Hmm.
So that is pop cut, we say.
Hmm.
What is the significance of jata?
Hmm.
If you explain these things, actually they are not going to cut their ties. Right? What is the
We have,
significance? If you go to Ayodhya or Saraswati, actually, in India, according to the tradition, only 2 times we have to cut our face. One at the time of when husband is died, then lady is going to completely shave their head. And another one is when you are going to Gaya or Triveni Sangama, Triveni Sangama. At that time, we are offering for the Devi Ganga to give all the things what we want. So there are only 2 times we have to cut our bride.
Even Tirupati, women go for tonsuring. Women
Yes.
go for tonsuring and they shave their head.
Yeah.
Even in Tirupati, not only Gaya and Triveni, but in Tirupati they also do it. We have
Yes.
Dattatreya, we
That
have
is
a
what
very,
we
very
say.
scholastic.
Harike.
We have a very scholastic person called Atul Sharma ji. Atul Sharma ji is our kind of mentor. I won't say mentor, but he performs the role of a guide to us. He has asked the question that do you feel that puppet can be made a part of curriculum?
Yes, definitely, sir.
Do
Definitely.
you
It should be a part of curriculum.
feel necessity of it?
According to my opinion, there should be a lesson about the puppetry and the contributors of puppetry and puppeteers also. And then we have to introduce puppetry in the curriculum as a teaching aid also. We have to give a lot of encouragement for that. Then also our purpose will be served when we are introducing very strongly the puppet theatre in the education.
Okay. Yeah. I think Dr. Bhatt has or Mr. Bhoguna has to ask you something. You both
Yes,
are.
sir. No,
हेलो
Bhaji,
yes, sir.
हाँ जी सर,
कुछ
बोलिए
आपने
सर।
पूछा हो तो पूछे, नहीं तो फिर
मुझे लगता है कि सर ने अपने आप से ही सारी चीजें बता दी, पपेट्स के बारे में, उसकी मैथोलॉजी के बारे में, उसके यूज के बारे में, उसके मैनिपुलेशन के बारे में। तो बहुत ज्यादा पूछने का कुछ है नहीं पपेट्स के बारे में खासकर। हाँ, बात तो बहुत लंबी की जा सकती है विषय पर, और कई सवाल आए थे, जैसे अब्दुल शर्मा जी ने कहा कि पपेट को
मैंने पूछा
पार्टिशन
अभी।
का हिस्सा बनाया जा सकता है, और बहुत सारे रजनीकांत शुक्ला जी हैं, हमारे रैन प्रसाद उपाध्याय जी हैं, मनोहर चमोली मनु जी हैं।
अंग्रेजी में बोलिए, इतना बड़ा हिंदी मुझे मालूम नहीं, अंग्रेजी में बोलिए।
No, I told you that Mr. Atul Sharma wanted to ask you that what do you think? Do you feel necessity? Do you feel that there is a possibility of introducing puppetry in the school curriculum? In the school curriculum, can we make puppetry a part of curriculum?
Yes,
You
sir.
have
I
already
totally.
answered it. Yeah, you have already
Yeah.
answered it. But we have another scholar teacher called Rajnikant Shukla from Delhi. He has told us about the history of puppetry, that how puppetry, how how old we find the tradition of puppetry in our texts, right?
Yeah.
हमारी इतनी पुरानी विरासत नई पीढ़ी, what should we do to make puppetry popular among new generation? What should we do to make puppetry
Sir,
popular in new generation? What are your suggestions?
according to me, there should be a separate department associated with the education department. So teachers should given an opportunity to make use of the puppets and made use of this puppet, making of puppets and then using of those puppets. These are the two important things. For that we need not have anything. So waste material also we can do that. Sir, you know almost all the teachers are in CRT. They are doing the waste material, low cost material puppets.
Yeah,
So
that's
it will
why. That's
long
why.
lasting about for 30 to 40 years it will survive because I'm having
Yeah,
said it is more than 30 years old this one.
no, I
So
think
this is
I think
paper color. So
that
it all completely depends on the teacher's interest. So you have to reduce the quantum of the work they are doing on completely curriculum, and then you have to give some certain time and space for the teachers to even normally 24 periods are there. If you reduce it to 20 periods, and then if you allow him to 4 periods of time to making of these puppets as a teaching aid according their imagination and the necessity of the curriculum, definitely it is possible. So government should implement this. It is my personal this thing. And then when you are giving all sort of encouragement for the puppeteer teacher, you should give one increment for them. Then there will be a interest and they will do it.
no,
Yes, sir.
there will be storm in the cup. There will be storm in the cup if you give one increment to the teacher, to the puppetry teacher. The one thing I think that's why Kamala Devi Chittopadhyay ji, Dr. Kapila Vatsyayan, who expired few days back,
Yes,
Dr. Premlata Puri, our Mr. Subhashish Banerjee, they were all so dedicated and they felt so strong that in CCRT we are still continuing with the art of puppetry. Anurupa Roy, that's what Rajnikant Shukla ji said. Anurupa Roy and Shampa Ghosh,
yeah.
who worked in CCRT, they are doing some experiment. Like Dadi Paramji is doing phenomenal work in the art of puppetry. Dadi Paramji. Atul
Yes.
Sharma ji wants to know that as a traditional puppeteer, what changes did you see in the last 40 years in the traditional puppets? Do you see any changes in the traditional puppetry?
Yeah, because there are a lot of changes because we have made a use of the modern science and technology in traditional puppet theater. For example, so far it was not given a proper encouragement. Why? Because our quality of the performance is not enough. Because we have to compete with
Hmm.
modern medias. Even the people are very much
Hmm.
attracted towards the TV serials and all. There's such a type of
Hmm.
original attraction should be there in puppet theater. As I
Hmm.
told you, for example, making use of lighting, sound system,
Hmm.
effects, sound effects, all these things we have to
Oh
introduce in
yes.
our puppet theater. Then, for
Hmm.
particularly for us, there is no audience problems. Only these people are there that full of audience. In auditorium, you will be seeing not even a single place will be given to any others before commencing our puppet show. Audience will
I
be very
recall.
much full. Wherever we go,
Yes.
even not only in India. I think Joshi sir know when we had been to
No.
Tehran, about 4 to
Uh,
5,000 people were used to see our performance. Sir,
I I
tell me.
witnessed I witnessed Shivaram Karant
Yeah.
ji speaking loud mic and addressing 5,000 people, and the person who was sitting in the last row could hear Shivaram Karant. That was the power
Yeah.
of his voice. Mr. Dr. Bhatt, who is a theater artist, knows the importance of voice modulation. That what voice modulation takes place in theater, which is equally important in puppetry, the art of puppetry, or while
Yes, sir. Yes,
making
sir. And
puppet
also,
show,
one more important thing, sir,
etc.
Shivaram
So you
Karan
talk
was
about
very
lighting
genius
and
and he
stage
was very well
setting.
known to play. That's why he has taken lot of interest for the Yakshagana. That is why nowadays Yakshagana will become the world famous. Such type of personalities should be in puppet theater also. They have to give lot of encouragement. Only a few people cannot do all those things. But Dadi Pajamsi is also doing, Sampa Ghosh is doing, all Rupa they are doing, we people, Anupama Haskar is also doing, and then Suresh Da is also doing, but it is not enough for such a big country. So government take initiative and they have to appoint something. We will be the directors for this. We will be directing, and then all the young teachers in the institution should be given the opportunity to only for particular because they are giving all sort of encouragement for the art teacher and drama
Yes,
theater
yes.
and all music teacher. Why not puppet?
One
Good.
important comment here, Sarita Bist, our regular viewer, says that, sir, I think in running some in trainings, some person who know
No
puppetry
puppetry.
should call and they give some knowledge to make puppet. In the training, it should be very interesting part for us, and how it works should be tell in trainings. सरता मैम आप बिल्कुल सही सुझाव आपका, लेकिन ये 1-2 घंटे की ट्रेनिंग का काम नहीं है. इसके लिए पूरा एक ट्रेनिंग सीसीआरटी कराती है, रोल ऑफ पपेट्री इन एजुकेशन, जो 10-12 दिन की होती है अलग अलग जगहों पर प्राइमरी टीचर्स के लिए.
15 दिन का
और
प्रोग्राम,
दत्ता सर भी उसी ट्रेनिंग से ट्रेन
15
टीचर है.
दिन का।
हाँ, 15 दिन की वो डेट्स बदलते रहती हैं सर, कभी 12 की
तो
हो
जब
जाती है, कभी 15 की.
जब दत्तात्रेय जी ट्रेनिंग आए थे, उन दिनों पुपेट्री का प्रोग्राम 45 दिन का होता था. 45 days he spent in CCRT to learn puppetry, the art of puppetry.
जब मैंने किया
Sir,
सब तब 12 दिन का था.
even today, I am selecting some of the students. I think more than about 2,000 students have trained in my school.
Wow.
Actually, I have started with the help of the Department of Culture. I think South Central Zone maybe they nominate him as a guru for his Guru Shishya Parampara and all. I trained many students, and then now they are actually taking part in my puppet theater.
Lovely, lovely, very nice.
तो
Dattatraya
मुझे
ji, it
लगता है
was very
सर
good.
विदा लेने का समय है. वी आर इन द लास्ट मोमेंट्स फॉर टुडेज शो. So anything else you want to tell, sir? Our viewers are waiting. Then we will say bye bye.
Sir, one thing, because actually, I actually request the department, particularly CCRT, giving encouragement only selecting the teachers and then giving training is not enough. You have to follow them. Are they doing really worthwhile work in their school? Or are they making use of this aids given by the CCRT? They are giving projector and so many other things. They are giving training, the making of puppets, low cost puppets and all. After they are taking training, after they are completely concentrating on their particular subject and they are doing that only, they are going to lose their interest afterwards. They wanted to go to CCRT and see the Delhi. That's all. It should not be the main aim.
No, sir, I think CCRT is still
And apart
struggling.
Sir, one more
is
thing.
making
I think it is very easy for CCRT people. They can contact the industrial personalities, ITBT companies to take use of this puppet theater and puppet photos and puppets. I have a lot of puppets like that. I'm presenting some many people. See, these are the very small puppets for the purpose of presentation I did. It's a completely traditional Indian-based, culture-based puppet. It's very light, like this only. See, yeah. So the CCRT should introduce this traditional art form to the industrialists, ITBT companies, and then we have to educate them. Many people are very much interested, but they don't know who we are. We know we are very much interested, and we are also having a lot of knowledge, and we don't know how to sell this. There should be a, in between CCRT should be, well, they have to open a cell for this purpose only. Then it will be communicated to the large people, and if they are taking photographs of this puppet in calendars or posters, wall posters, and all. It will reach so far of people. In a performance, it is not possible. In a performance, I think you can see 500 people or 1,000 people. That's all. That is the end. If it is printed in publicity materials, it will reach far and wide. It will be popularized. Actually, this puppet forum is the heart of Indian culture in Indian tradition. Whatever the problems we have in our tradition and culture, there will be salvation with the help of puppetry. Whatever maybe it is. Definitely, if you have any problems, if we want to have any answers, definitely this puppet theater will give the answers and solution for all the problems. That's my humble request. The financial institutions, ITBT companies should come forward to popularize this puppet theater by sponsoring theater, sponsoring puppet shows, and then making use of the puppet photos in their publicity materials like like calendar, wall calendar, and brochures and all. And this is the
yeah, I think
combination of
CCRT
dance, music, and all. These are all the separate things. Puppet theater is the combination of all these art forms. That is why puppetry is very important. Yes, sir.
I'm saying CCRT is still very dedicated to the
Yeah, definitely
population, to the
because
propagation of art of
yes,
puppetry.
because modern medias are more attractive. They are attracting the young minds. So it is our responsibility to improve the quality of puppet theater. For me, I have already improved the quality of the dialogue, quality of the music, and then making of modern science and technology in puppet theater. That is why still I am surviving. Many puppet theaters are completely vanished by this time. I think sir know very well. Even today, it is normal for them to survive. They are giving up their profession and then searching for many other professions like. But puppetry should be a puppeteer. They have to earn
Yeah.
their bun and butter with puppetry only.
Sir, thanks for today's session.
How is it possible? Only when we are improving the quality, even knowledge, dialogue, music, and all whatnot. Apart from the science and technology, implementing in puppet theater is very important. That's why I
Yes.
told teacher should be an artist, artist should be a teacher.
Teacher. Right.
Then only it will be survived.
Very
Only
good.
teacher cannot do all these things, or only artist cannot do all this here. That's why I'm telling the art of teaching. Then only it's possible to popularize Indian culture and puppetry, and it will be used for education and education is also very much effective when we use puppetry in education.
थैंक्स
Yeah, I
सर,
think
धन्यवाद।
all the teachers are artists, sir. I do not know whether the artists are
I
teachers
believe
or
in
not. Teachers are
I
the
believe,
artists.
I believe in that.
जी बहुत
Teacher
बहुत
should
धन्यवाद।
not be made. He should be a foreign.
जैसा कि दत्तात्रेय सर ने कहा हम सबके से कि हम सब शिक्षकों को कलाकार होना चाहिए और हर कलाकार को एक शिक्षक भी होना चाहिए, तो बिल्कुल ठीक है, ये होता है। हर शिक्षक एक कलाकार है। एवरी टीचर इज एन आर्टिस्ट एंड एवरी आर्टिस्ट इज अ टीचर। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर, लॉट ऑफ थैंक्स फ्रॉम आवर साइड।
Actually, on behalf of my puppets, myself and my puppeteer and my fellow puppeteers, I would like to thank Joshi ji and Bhatt ji and all other fellow friends, and then audience who listened for everybody. My humble pranamas to everybody, particularly CCRT family. Thank you.
Thank you sir,
Thank you.
thank
Thank
you।
you so
we
much.
are today we are at 99 नॉट आउट। तो हम आज 99 पर नॉट आउट हैं
It
और
was
कल
very exciting. Yes, we were so excited. We were waiting like Dattatreya ji, Urf Akas or Elias MS Dhoni came and hit the six, and tomorrow we'll hit the century.
And then also your family, they can make use of my puppet services at any time, all the places, all the time. So once again,
Thank you very much.
thank you very much.
धन्यवाद sir, धन्यवाद।
तो दर्शकों, आज 99वां एपिसोड पूरा हुआ और बहुत शानदार तरीके से 99वां एपिसोड संपन्न हुआ। हमारे आज के अतिथि दत्तात्रेय अरलीकट्टे सर ने पपेट के बारे में जो अद्भुत ज्ञान हमें दिया, वो मुझे भी नहीं था। हालांकि मैंने पपेट्री का कोर्स 12 दिन का सीसीआरटी में किया है उदयपुर में सन 2003 में, लेकिन इतना डिटेल वहां भी नहीं बताया गया जितना सर ने आज बताया, पूरा मटेरियल से लेकर के और तमाम चीजें। अद्भुत सर, हमें बहुत लाभ मिला और आज के बाद से ये आर्ट और पॉपुलर होगी पूरे देश में और टीचर्स में, ऐसी हमें उम्मीद है। आप आए हमारे शो में, आपका धन्यवाद। तो मित्रों, कल 100वें एपिसोड में आप सब हमारे साथ समय से जुड़िएगा, क्योंकि कल सेंचुरी के अवसर पर हमारा उत्साह बढ़ाने आएंगे उत्तराखंड के आदरणीय शिक्षा मंत्री अरविंद पांडे जी। अरविंद पांडे जी बहुत ही ऊर्जावान और बहुत ही नई सोच वाले मंत्री हैं और शिक्षा विभाग में हमेशा उनकी कोशिश रहती है कुछ बेहतर किया जाए, कुछ नया किया जाए, कुछ अच्छे लोगों को आगे बढ़ाया जाए। तो ऐसे ऊर्जावान और युवा शिक्षा मंत्री अरविंद पांडे जी से कल हम बातचीत करेंगे, आपके सवाल लेंगे और उनसे पूछेंगे उनके जवाब। और भी बहुत कुछ होगा। उनका जो जीवन है अपने आप में वो बड़े एक कहना चाहिए हॉलीवुड फिल्म की तरह है। उनका जो जीवन की कहानी है उस पर भी उनसे चर्चा करेंगे कि वो कैसे इतना संघर्ष करके इस स्तर तक पहुंचे। एक साधारण मजदूर के बेटे को आज शिक्षा मंत्री के रूप में हम देख रहे हैं, ये बहुत बड़ी जर्नी है, उस पर हम चर्चा करेंगे और उनसे प्रेरित होंगे। तो कल शाम ठीक 7 बजे हम फिर से आपसे मिलेंगे हमारे उत्तराखंड के लोकप्रिय शिक्षा मंत्री अरविंद पांडे जी के साथ। तब तक के लिए हम सबको अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार, शुभ रात्रि, जय हिंद।